In Seoul, the heart of Korea, there are still buildings in Joseon. Among them are Jongryeo, Sungkyunkwan, and Changpyeonggen Palace. We will find a forest that is melted into the buildings of Joseon. Doesn't it look like it's in the mountains at a glance? You can feel the comfort and cooling of your eyes from all over the building. Let's go outside the building and feel the forest. Walk slowly along the road next to the stone wall. I don't even think this is the city anymore. This colorful building goes well with the forest. And you can see a lot of big trees. If you're having a hard time walking, sit under your eaves and rest. The cab must be drowsy too. The sound of raindrops is emotional and pleasant. You can meet the real forest next to the city forest.